Welcome, in front of me is a OnePlus 8 Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM into the device. So before we get started, there's one thing that we will need, which is a SIM eject tool, as I have one right here. They should come with a device somewhere in the box, but if you can't find it, you can always use something like a paper clip. Just straighten out one of the edges and it will work just as well. And from there, the tray is located on the bottom of the device, so right over here. So when you push it, you can see that the tray pops out. From here, you have access to two different SIM trays. Now I'm gonna only occupy one, but the card goes the same way, so you can put it like so, and it's literally the exact same thing on the other side. So once you place the card, make sure that it's laying flush on there. As you can see, this one is, and it should hold in there. From there, you can just slide it back into the phone, and it should prompt me with putting in the pin right now. There we go, there's the pin, so let's confirm it. So, and there we go. So that is how you would insert SIM into this device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.